Alright, here's another tutorial on how to complete that Audacity editing assignment for week 7. I think I went too fast when I did the demo, so I'm going to start over. Okay, the first thing you probably want to do is find the audio file that you're going to edit. And you're going to find that on our course website. So I'm going to go to the course website, and then I'm going to log in to Canvas, and then I will pick our class, which is Music 165, and now I'm in the Music 165 website, and I'll turn it in, make it look like student view, so it looks a little more similar to what you will see. Okay, so when you log into the website, it brings you to the home page. If you look along the left, you'll see several links. The one you want to go for is the one marked Files. Click on Files, and then there are some folders over here. The folder where our assignment will be is in the Weekly Lab Assignments. So we'll click on Weekly Lab Assignments, and then Week 7 Audacity Editing. That's the folder I want to go to. And I'm going to click on this file to download it. Okay? And I think if I go to these three dots, yeah, see the name of the file, Audio Editing XR Size. And then if I go all the way to the right, there are these three dots. I can click on those three dots and it'll download. Now, depending on whether you have a Macintosh,
World to Music Wonderful.
I see, because it's an audio file, my Macintosh is set up to automatically play it in iTunes. But you don't have to do that. Let me get rid of this other website that's blocking our way. If you know where the file is saved, it'll be saved to your Downloads folder. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click here and my Downloads, and I'm going to drag that file out to the desktop of my computer where it's easy to find. Okay, so you should do this, I think, just to make it easier on yourself. If you're on either a Windows computer or a Mac computer, download the file and then put it on the desktop if it doesn't go there automatically. Now I've hidden my web browser, and I'm going to go open up Audacity now. I'm assuming you've all downloaded and installed Audacity, so I'm going to open it up, and it opens up with a blank session. So in Audacity, I'll go to the File menu, and I'll choose Import. And then I'll slide over and choose that I want to import some audio. And then I just have to find where that file is. I remember that I put it on my desktop, so I'll look on my desktop. And there it is, Audio Editing Exercise. All right, and it just tells me something about how it's going to import. I just clicked right through that. Okay, so here's the audio file. Let's listen to it.
World to Music Wonderful of Technology. Welcome
All right, so then we use these tools. There are a whole bunch of tools up here. The ones you need to know are the selector tool. It looks like this, and the mover tool. They call it time slide tool, this one here. Okay, I'm going to choose the selector tool, and I'm going to highlight what I think is a word.
World.
Yeah, that's a word. So I'll go to Edit, Clip Boundaries, and Split. Then I'll select what I think is the next word, and I think it's probably this bit right here. Let's see.
To.
Yeah, that's a word. So I'm going to do this really quickly and select it first, and then I'm hitting the space bar to listen to it if you wonder how I'm listening to it.
Music.
That's a word. Okay, so I'm going to keep going. I'm going to do this kind of fast, because as long as you understand the process. I think this whole big chunk is a word, so I'm going to select it and then play it.
Wonderful.
That's not the whole word. Okay, good thing I listened first, huh?
Wonderful.
That's the whole word. So I'll go clip boundaries, split. Okay, is this little thing a word?
Of.
It is. And I'm going to keep doing this till I get all of the words separated. I think that's all one word, I think.
Technology.
Yep, it's the word technology. So I've selected it all. It sounded right. I'll go clip boundaries and split. And then I think we have 2 words left. Let's see. What's this?
Welcome.
That's a word. So we'll separate that. And then once I separate that, the last word is already separated. I'll just double click it and listen to it. Yeah, okay.
Music wonderful of technology.
Okay.
Welcome.
So the phrase I'm trying to recreate is welcome to the wonderful world of music technology. So I'm going to first add a new audio track, and then I'm going to choose this this mover tool or time slide tool. I remember that this word is welcome, so I'm going to drag it down there. And then I need 2. It's going to be a short word. Let's see, is this it back here? No, that's the. What's this?
Of.
To. That's it. So again, I just switched back to my selector and double clicked on the clip to highlight it. This is the clip I want, so with my mover tool, I'll slide it down. Come on, baby. Move with me. It doesn't want to move. I'm not sure what's going on. What did I do wrong? Let's get that out of there. I just moved the selector out of the way. There we go. Welcome to, and then which word is the? I'm not sure. I think it was that word at the end, right? Wonderful is going to be a long word. I bet it's that one. And then of, I'm just guessing here. I can't remember which one. This one I'm guessing is music. I don't really know. You can slide them around and then you can listen. I'm going to slide all of these guys back over here and listen to what I have so far at the beginning.
Welcome to the wonderful of world.
The wonderful
music.
Of. Okay, so of is not right. World needs to come next. World of, I think, music technology. Let's see if it's right.
Welcome to the wonderful world of music technology.
Yeah. Now, if you wanted to, you could do some more stuff. You could, if you want, trim out some of these blank spaces. Watch me. I'm going to highlight that with the selector tool and get rid of it. And then maybe I'll highlight the end of this word. Whoops, messed up. Highlight the end of that word and get rid of a little more. And then I'm just looking for gaps, where there are pauses. And I want to be careful that I don't cut off the beginning or the end of a word, though. So as you're trimming these off, it's a good idea, really, to listen each time. I'm not being very careful. I'm just kind of cavalierly trimming away. But as you're doing it, you might want to listen each time. And then if you find that you've trimmed off too much or too little, you can just go up to the Edit menu and choose Undo to undo the edit you just made. So let's see. Let's see what we have now.
Music.
Whoops, I got to go back to the beginning. And then I'll start with my space bar.
Welcome to the wonderful world of music technology.
Great. So that's it. So I want to save my work. And it's telling me it's going to save it as an Audacity project. Okay. So I'll save it as an Audacity project. I'm not quite done yet. If I have some time, and I would encourage you to do this, you could experiment by trying to add some of these. There are lots and lots of fun effects you can add. And the best way to add them is with the selector tool. If you wanted to add something to the whole file, notice that I've clicked to the right of the last clip, and I'm going to drag across everything, and then I'll add an effect. Let's see, what should I add? How about phaser? I don't know. We'll just see what that, I can preview it, okay.
Welcome to the wonderful world of music technology.
Subtle. Let's see if I can make it sound a little more dramatic. And dry wet, okay. Depth is 100. I'm going to turn up the depth. I'm just guessing, to be honest with you.
Welcome to the wonderful world of music technology.
Okay, so you can play with any of these effects, and then once you hit the OK, now that effect is part of the regular sound.
Welcome to the wonderful world of music technology.
And some people were doing pitch changes and all sorts of crazy fun stuff. Okay, when you're finished, you want to again click on the selector tool and then again drag across your finished file. One of the things I did in the demo was to join those clips. I don't really care if you do that, but you could. Now they're all one audio clip. And then I want to highlight it. And the thing you do want to do, though, at the end when you're finished, so that you can turn in your project, you highlight everything and you go to the File menu, and now you choose Export Audio or Export Selected Audio. That's what I'm going to choose, to export just the part I have selected here. And you'll get this window. It's asking you a couple of things. Where do you want to save it? For now, I'm going to save it to the desktop so it's easy for me to find it. And then I want to make sure that I save it as something other than an Audacity file. I want you to save it either as a WAV file, which is an uncompressed audio file, or an MP3, which is a compressed audio file. I'm going to save this one as a WAV. Since it looks like I saved something as an MP3 before, let's save it as a WAV file. So I'll click Save. It's going to warn me about, oh, that one already exists. Okay, because I did this demo before. Oops, you caught me. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the old one. You can clear out all of this stuff if you want, or you leave it. It really doesn't matter at all. And maybe when you do this, maybe nothing shows up there. Don't worry about that at all. If you want to clear it, you just clear it. If you want to leave it, that's fine too. Click on OK. And then we can quit Audacity. All right, so we quit Audacity, and then I've got to go out to my desktop, which you can't see here because I've got something else in the way. Let me hide that something else that's in the way. Okay, and here what I'm looking for is my audio editing exercise WAV file. Here's the Audacity file that I was working on. But I would like you guys to upload or to email me the WAV file. Okay? So, oh, this is the old one, and this is, I think this is the new one, perhaps. Yeah, old one, it says. How funny. I didn't know Audacity would do that. Okay, so you're going to make sure you have this file. And then if you want to, in Canvas, you can upload it. In the Canvas exercise, you go to Assignments, and then you'll go to Editing Audio with Audacity, and you'll say, I'm going to resubmit, because I've practiced this before as a pretend student. So I want to resubmit it, and then one of your choices is File Upload. So and here it says, so again, if you didn't see what I did there, I went to the assignment and I said I'm going to submit, or in my case it was resubmit. And then I see a choice for file upload down here. And then it says choose file. So choose file. And the one I want is not the Audacity file, AUP, but the WAV file, or the MP3 if you chose to save it as an MP3. Click choose. And now I see that name is here. Audio editing exercise.wav. So I'm going to go ahead and submit the assignment. And that's all there is to it.